Pro XP and XP4 install today. We removed the factory grill, just pops out, and you can see we got these two little tabs on the bottom that sink in right here. We've got this little strip across the back that has these longer bolts and slides up underneath this little edge right here, and when it gets behind there, it'll sandwich that piece of plastic and hold the grill in place without having to do any drilling or rivets into your plastic. See this plastic up here, we trimmed this lip off right here. It's like a little piece of plastic. You can take a knife and trim it off, or we use a little air sawzall and just trim it flat right there, and it allows the grill to sit a little flatter, and it makes it so that it doesn't bounce off when you're beating it in the whoops. Okay, this is the final install of the grill. We've trimmed our piece off, putting the tabs in right here. You can see them drop in. Tilt that, uses the Allen to kind of tilt that little piece down underneath the back part right there. And then you hold it up with the Allen as high as you can as you tighten it, and that sandwiches that piece, the factory piece, between our two pieces of the grill. Then you take and shake it, make sure it's solid, and you're good to go.